Innovation by LS Cosmetic. Innovation leads to clients' growth, and clients' growth leads to consumers' happiness. With that belief, we opened the door to a new industry and began to connect clients with consumers. For the beauty of mankind, LS Cosmetic will continue to innovate. LS Cosmetic always runs towards achievements. LS Cosmetic's unique R&D talents, based on R&D expertise obtained through ceaseless passion and dedication, create new technology that is unique in the world, realizing the beauty the clients dream of. The Bio-Research Center of LS Cosmetic, with technologies such as microbial culture, fermentation, genetic recombination, and stem cells, is the fruit of the industry's highest level of innovative convergence technology. With our unique and differentiated expertise, LS Cosmetic provides a turnkey total service. From prediction of beauty trends to planning, R&D, production, and marketing. The innovation by LS Cosmetic leads to clients' growth. Through a clean manufacturing processes as specified by ISO 22716 and ISO 9001 and a specialized 7-step quality control system, LS Cosmetics guarantees the highest quality. Through the continuous development of new products and quality innovation, LS Cosmetic enacts frequent and thorough quality control and provides one-to-one customized product development technology and information for each client. Providing a customized total service to clients with systematic business capabilities is why LS Cosmetic has been chosen by 19 countries around the world, and is a principle unique to LS Cosmetic that has connected clients to success. LS Cosmetics connects the world as one and leads clients towards the future. LS Cosmetic has been recognized for its unique technology and quality, building strong partnerships with not only domestic brands, but also global brands. To realize your beauty and health, LS Cosmetic will ensure our solutions evolve further. Through customized solutions that meet the needs of clients, LS Cosmetic will make efforts to increase the corporate value. LS Cosmetic has developed from a Korean cosmetic OEM company to a leader in the global beauty and bio industry. We at LS Cosmetic will lead the global beauty trends by introducing new values for a new era. Until the day when humanity's dreams of beauty and health come true, LS Cosmetic will connect all pathways of innovation.